Hi Eric, this is Ryan Lane over at Nissan LaGrange. I wanted to first off introduce myself and also show you the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder you inquired about. Right now we actually have a great selection to choose from. This whole line down through here. But I'm going to go over this specific one you'd inquired about. Silver in color. As you see, it does have the upgraded alloy wheel package. Alright, so when we go to the sides here, you do see the turn signal indicators there on the side mirrors. You do have the chrome accented door handles, has a really good look to it. Roof rack with the crossbars. Great gas mileage for an SUV, 20 in the city, 27 on the highway. It's got the 3.5 liter V6 engine. Very good on, again, on gas. Alright, so you take a look back here. Your trunk release button is going to be right here. Just pops on up. This is a third row SUV. Let's just say you aren't utilizing the third row. You just pop that, push that, pop that, push that, and now you have enough room for plenty of storage if you're hauling, you're moving things. You can also do that with your second row. So great feature. Plus you have your backup camera back here, so when you're backing up you'll see what's behind you. You have your smart key system here. You can really leave this in your pocket. You never have to take it out of your pocket, because when you walk up to the vehicle, you know, you can actually open it that way. And actually I'm going to take that back on this one. You do have the keyless, so you have your keyless entry. Alright, so on the inside you have your two USB ports right here, climate control, AC vents, and I saw a question there. I don't know if you were asking if it had the DVDs here, or if it had the two USB ports. So you do have two USBs ports there for accessibility. And on the inside here, one-touch auto on the driver's side window there. Alright, so we have the push button start. Loading on up. We got our multi-informational display screen there. What's neat about it, you can toggle through here and you can go to your audio, you can go to your warnings, you can do driver assistance. Let's click that. We have our emergency braking, so if you get too close to an object, it's going to automatically sense that, help alert you, help stop the vehicle, prevent accidents. Very, very cutting edge technology there. And you can basically toggle through. You can change the body color. You can make your car a white car right here. If you want to, you know, for the visual look right there, you can make it blue, whatever color you like. You also have your apps right here. You can do Nissan Connect app. You have your climate control settings. You have your audio. All of that's right here, easy to get to. Plus you have dual climate control, CD players. Some manufacturers are actually going away from CD players. Nissan said that's not a good idea, so they're going to keep it. Driving performance, you can actually check your history, kind of see how the performance is handling. You can actually go as far as checking the G-force. You can check your cornering, different things like that. Make sure the vehicle is performing the proper way. Fuel consumption. And again, there's your performance meter, so your steering, your cornering G, again there's your G-force, fuel flow, so a lot of really good technical features there. You have your climate control info with XM radios, going to be complimentary. You have your eco mode, you can check your gas mileage, you can check your history, a lot of goodies. You have Series Eyes free, you have Bluetooth, so many features to name. I just wanted to touch on a few of the main ones and see when would be a good time for you to come in and actually take this one for a test drive. Again, we have great availability, all different ones. If this is the exact one you like, great. If not, again, we have plenty to choose from. But just come on in, give us the opportunity. We're doing a year of complimentary maintenance too on top of that. So just give me a call. You can reach me at 706-302-9197. And again, this is Ryan Lane over at Nissan LaGrange.